We are live. My name is David, and this is a first look at Slide Idea, a new iPad app. And I am broadcasting from my iPad Air, and I am screencasting from my MacBook via Air server. I've already registered for Slide Idea, and I've gone through the tutorial. And to be quite frank, I just want to fiddle around and take a look at some templates. This reminds me of Keynote. Maybe this is a Keynote competitor. And we have some fancy things here. Wow. Maybe all of these are free, and that's good. And there's so many. Maybe there is an easier way to search through all of these. My templates and cloud templates. I don't understand the difference. I do like the font and the use of white space. I do need to make a presentation, a research presentation. How about classy? Wow. 8 slides, 106 downloads. Okay, I will download that. I like the progress bar at the bottom. Ooh. Okay, let's open this. And now what am I doing? So there's a home button. Okay. I'll click on that again. I can play. And I am playing. And now that I'm done playing, what do I do? Okay. I see my slides at the bottom, so unlike Keynote, which displays slides to the side, to the left, Slide Idea displays slides to the bottom. Be classy. Wow, okay. Double clicking on this. Research. And let's double click on this. Can I access the text? Here we go. Okay. My research. Next week's presentation. Okay. Week's presentation. This is a pretty crazy font, by the way. Presentation. Okay. Now what? Let's add a new slide. Okay, so this is a lot like Keynote, except the presentation is slightly different. Be classy. I need to create a table. I need to create an assessment evaluation matrix. I don't know what's best for this. Maybe one of these. I want to change this title. Research evaluation matrix. Okay. And can I resize this easily? How do I resize you? I want you to resize. How do I make you smaller? And what are these up and down arrows? Down. Up. So this isn't very intuitive, these up and down arrows. I want to make the font smaller. I want you to fit. How do I do that? I can rotate you. Ooh. And then I can undo you. Great. But I need to undo you. Make you smaller. How do I do that? This is not necessarily very intuitive. I want to make you smaller. And then there are a lot of options down here, including body, and subtitle, and heading, and headline. I don't really understand what any of this means. Okay, going back to this slide. I don't know how to navigate the bottom. I don't even know if I can navigate. I can navigate if I press. I just clicked on subtitle, or tapped on subtitle, and something happened. I'm not sure what's going on. I'll undo that. Hit text again. What's a banner? Banner? Hello? I'm not sure what's going on. I am very confused. Picture. Oh wow, that's nice. I can add pictures. I'm clicking on circle image, and I'm not sure what's happening. I have no idea what's going on. I just want to... Let me get rid of these photos first. How do I get rid of you? Okay, so double tap, delete. Oh, I can replace you too. That's good. That's a good feature. Double tap. Don't allow. Wait, but what did I just do? I just did something. I just drew something up. And replace? Ah, okay. So that's what happens when you hit the replace button. If I want to delete you. And I'm still trying to make you smaller. But I have no idea how to do this. Let's hit this thing. Okay, so that wasn't necessarily intuitive. I finally found the font size. Let's make you small. Maybe auto resize would be a good feature to have. Research evaluation matrix. 35. Ooh, good. That looks alright. And we have the default font color, underline, horizontal alignment. Okay, good. I still don't know what body, subtitle, how do I access these things? Research evaluation matrix. Okay, I want to create a table. I want to align my research questions with data sources. Don't want pictures. Yep. Oh, hey, now I'm learning that what I need to do, in fact, is tap and drag onto the slide. I did not know that. That was not intuitive in the interface. I thought I could just tap on something and something would happen. So maybe with text, too, I can drag. No, I cannot drag. So with this text box... Oh, wait, some things I can drag. I can drag now. This is really strange. It's a nice feature, yet it's not necessarily intuitive, as you've just seen. It took me a few minutes to figure out that in order to interact with this bottom bar, I actually have to tap and drag. Maybe I was not paying attention to the tutorial. Bars. I don't want bars. But what do bars look like? How do I fix these bars? Ooh, wow, okay. So I have a chart. I want a table, though. I can add new rows. Great. Fine. Let's get rid of you. Pie. I want a table. Got some shapes here. Good. More widgets. Whoa, cool. Wow. That's great. I like that. How do I get out of this? Okay. Alright. And more widgets. Wow, I like that. That's a good feature to have. And thankfully everything looks free. I can share. Poll. Guess. And poll. Poll. So if I want to use this during my research presentation next week, how do I actually interact? Or how does the audience interact with this slide idea? Or do I... Oh, wait a second. Okay. Wow. What in the world? This is really useful. I like that. That's cool. Poll. And what in the world is this? I don't understand. How do I set the parameters for the poll? Background. What does that mean? Background. Picture. Oh, okay. Apply to all slides. Oh, changing the background. Okay, here we go. Edit. Ah, okay, here we are. Edit. So how do people interact with this poll? What? One. Cool. Okay. Now let's play. So what actually happens? What's this? Engage audience? I'm sure this is a useful feature, yet I don't necessarily know how to do it. Ah, okay. Alright, then people can engage with it. Ah. This is useful. I like this idea. I'm going to use this. I think for the well, I would appreciate, well, developing things on Keynote and, well, developing any presentation on an iPad is a bit difficult. It's more difficult, I believe, than developing it on a MacBook. Okay, engage audience. Okay, I like that. I like this idea. I'm gonna cook something up for my presentation, and then I'll show you what I've done.